Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript, and in this tutorial we are going to learn JavaScript array method. Let's see how many array methods are there in JavaScript. Here you can see a list of array methods. We have total 24 array methods in there, and we are going to learn all about it in our upcoming tutorial. And in this tutorial we are going to learn sort and reverse method. We can call it array method, otherwise array functions. As you can see, our first method is sort. Let's see what can we do with this method. As you can see, side by side I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension, and I already created a HTML document named index.html. And here you can see, inside the script tag we already create an array, and inside the array we have total 4 values: Advan, Smith, Rahul and Olive. And using sort method we can sort values alphabetically. Let's change the order of the student name. So I'm going to move Smith first. Copy, delete, and before Advan I'm going to paste it. And I want to save this file. So at first I'm going to print this array without sort. So here I'm going to type document dot write inside the round braces array. Then semicolon to end this line. If I save this file, you can see in my browser it's print Smith, Advan, Rahul, Oliver. As you can see, it's look unordered. Now we need to order it by their name. And if we use sort method, then it's going to print the name start with A, B, C and D, like that way. And now I'm going to use sort method. But before, I'm going to concatenate a break tag. Concatenate inside the double quote BR. Then in the next line, so here I'm going to type our variable name array. Array dot, now we can call our function, and our function name is sort. Then double quote, then round braces, and after round braces I'm going to use semicolon. And next again I'm going to call this statement, document statement. So I'm going to copy this statement and paste after sort. So if I save this file, now you can see it's organized our name alphabetically. First it print Advan, then Oliver, Rahul and Smith. I hope now it's clear for you what is the usage of sort method. Now let's talk about reverse method. Basically, reverse function play the role of opposite of sort function. So let's use it. So I'm going to copy this line and comment out previous one. And here I'm going to use array.reverse function. If I save this file, now you can see it's reverse our student name order. First it print Oliver, then print Rahul, then print Advan, at last it print Smith. It's reverse according to this list. But if I run sort and reverse together, let me show you, and then save this file. As you can see, now it starts with S, then R, then O, then A. To make it more clear, I'm going to print another document statement. So I'm going to copy this statement and print after the sort. And here you can see, now it's more clear for you. At first, it sort our list alphabetically. Then it sort our list reverse alphabetically. So I hope now it's clear for you. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.